What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2013 Hyundai Tucson up on the lift. So this car makes a noise every time you hit a bump, clack, 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 ding, 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 all kinds of noise. So there's a lot of things you need to check. You want to check the basics. If you find the basics, there's something wrong with it, fix that, repair it, and go out there, test drive it again. And if there's a noise there, check it again. So there could be a lot of things with the front end. If you have a front end noise and you want to check the basics, I'm going to show you how to check that. Take you 5 minutes. All you need to have is the car off the ground first of all. So floor jacket or put on the lift. Be safe. Anyways, took this car for a drive and it's making a noise. I want you to pay attention and listen to it, okay? I was assuming his links and bushings or the shocks are bad. That's what that was coming to my mind. But I found something out. So check this out. So let's bring the camera a little bit over this way. Right there looks good. And let me just fix up this leg. And check this out. So the first thing you're gonna see is I'm gonna hold the tire from 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I'm sorry, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. I'm gonna show you what that is, but from down below. Okay, and also it makes a noise from another place. So there's two different faults in this car. And you also want to check, put it at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, and there's no play. So if you have play here, if you have a play here, most likely probably your tie rods or bearing. Most likely it's going to be tie rod bearings. You would feel it in this angle as well. So let's go down below. Okay, now that we're down below, I want you to pay attention to this guy. This is the outer tie rod. Watch this. There's some movement here. See that? I can even wiggle it just by doing that. Okay, let me go down here. See that? Check the movement here. And then we got a problem with the ball joint right here. Check this out. So there's two different noises, but you hear it once, and this is one of it, okay? Very bad. So what we're gonna do is, you also wanna check, I'm gonna take the camera and I'm gonna show you what else to check. This camera. You also wanna check your sway bar linkage, which are these guys right here, and there's bushings over here. Let's go to the opposite side. You want to do the same thing on the opposite side. So as you can see, there's no plate. You can move this around. It's solid. Okay, the bushing in there, I looked at the bushing. I checked the bushing out earlier. So this is the sway bar bushing right there. So those are solid. There's no movement in there. And as well as this tire is solid. Shocks is something that you will only feel on the road, but right now this is what we see and here, and this is what we're gonna replace. All right, guys, so thank you for watching my video, and I hopefully helped you out on this little process, how to check the front end noise when you hit a bump. This car was making a terrible noise. This is the exact noise that we was hearing. But anyways, check out my next video, and it's gonna be part 2, how to replace the tie rod and the ball joint on this particular vehicle. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.